In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change country in Costco in 2026. Let's get started by heading to the official Costco website in your browser. You can do this on a computer or a mobile device. Once the homepage loads, you'll see the familiar Costco banner, search bar, and navigation. You don't need to sign in to follow along for this change, but if you are logged in, that's fine too. The process is exactly the same. Now that you're on the homepage or dashboard, look toward the top right corner of the screen. This is where Costco shows the current country or region you're browsing in. It may appear as a small country name, a flag, or a globe icon with a country label next to it. For example, if you're on the United States site, you'll likely see US or United States in that spot. Go ahead and click the country that's currently selected. Sticking with our example, click US. When you do, Costco will open a menu or a list of available countries and regions. This list can include places like Canada, the United Kingdom, Australia, Taiwan, and others depending on where Costco operates online. From that list, choose the country you need. Simply click the country name. As soon as you make your selection, Costco will apply the change right away. You'll be redirected to the correct regional site, often with a different web address, such as a .ca, a .co.uk, .com.au, or .com.tw domain. That instant switch updates what you see. Product availability, prices, language, promotions, and services now match the country you selected. A few quick notes to keep in mind. Changing the country affects shopping details like currency, shipping options, and delivery areas which are specific to that region. Your shopping cart and saved items usually do not carry over between countries, so plan your purchases accordingly. If you have a Costco membership, it's generally recognized worldwide in warehouses, but online accounts can be region specific and you may be prompted to sign in again on the new site. If you don't immediately spot the country selector at the top right, try maximizing your browser window or checking for a small flag or globe icon. On some mobile layouts, it may appear in the menu. That's it. Visit the Costco homepage, click the current country at the top right, select the country you want, and the site updates instantly. Thanks for watching, and happy browsing in the region that fits your needs.